Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video I'll be showing you how to enable app protection on Samsung Galaxy S25. Let's begin. So, all we have to do is simply go to our settings, scroll down a little, and go to security and privacy. In here we want to click app security. And here we have our app protection. So let's simply turn it on. And now, as you can see, no threats has been found, but we can also just scan our phone just to be sure. And after it will scan for basically every application on our phone. So if you have a lot of applications, then this process might take longer for you. But mine is almost ending. And as you can see, no threats has been detected. And that's all for this video. If you found it helpful, please consider liking and subscribing. Thanks for watching.